As you can see, this is $133 right here in my dashboard account. And if you stay with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $133 right here in my dashboard account just by posting on social media like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're just new to my channel, my name is Mike Ski, and if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, and let's dive straight into the video. As you can see from my statistics, I only got 19 clicks, and these 19 clicks generated me over $133, and I'm just in the level 1. I want to add up a balance to this my existing balance right here, which is $133. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this 3 icon menu at the top left right here, and once I click on it, I'm going to scroll down to the place which says earnings and level, and I want to click the place on earnings. So once I click on that right now, it's going to load up, and once it loads up, I'm going to see ways of which I can make money by taking surveys and by also downloading apps. But what I want you to know is how to make money faster in this app is coming right here back to the menu up right here and click on social earnings hub. Now you can see that you can make money through posting on social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, and TikTok, and more other social medias like that. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Facebook as an example. Now what you want to do is click on this Facebook right now. You see that it's going to load, and once it loads, this is what you're going to see. Whether it's a reel, story, or an Facebook post, follow our step to create one and get paid for it. Submit your link here and earn $40. Now this is what we want to do. So for a Facebook post, this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to click on this right now. It's going to load up. So once it loads up, the instruction says ready to earn $40. Make a Facebook post using our guideline in step 2. Then submit your post link in step 3 to earn $40. Now what you want to do is click next right there. Now what you're going to do right now again is you're going to scroll down. So what you want to do right now is copy this link. Once you copy the link, then you go straight to your Facebook. I'm going to minimize right now and go to my Facebook. Let me go to my Facebook. Just watch me as I do this live here right now, and you're going to see how this is going to change in our account right now. So let me just go to Facebook right now, and I'll show you the magic, how it works right here. Let me leave this. So my data is going to be accessed to the internet. Now what you want to do is touch this this plus button right up here that says post. So once it come up, it's post you want to make, right? So once you make that post, you're going to see what's going to happen. Paste that link right here. Once you paste the link, then what you're going to do is just post it directly to Facebook. I'll hit post. Now once it's posted, what we want to do is this. I want to come to our profile right here and go scroll down to our post. You're going to see the post right now. You're going to see the post. Just hold on a little. This is the post we just made. Okay, this post. So what we want to do right now is click on this 3 button up here and copy the link of that post. You see that right there? Now what you want to do is minimize back and go back to our Chrome browser. Now we want to click next for this page right here, and then we want to paste that link which we copied and pasted to our Facebook post. We want to paste it here and then hit submit Facebook post. Just wait a little, you're going to see what's going to happen right now. So it's been done already. So $40 is being successfully dropped into your account dashboard. So let's go back to our dashboard right now. Let me show you something right there. Let me go to my dashboard. This is now already $195. Guys, this app is legit. Okay, I'm going to leave the link once again in my description right there for you to get access to this website.